Today I'm going to build a Linux kernel. I'm going to make a minimalistic Linux distro. My mouth, they're getting too wetty right now. Now, if you don't know what Linux is basically an open source kernel. It's part of a GNU project made by Linus Torvalds. It's a very big project. There are 5,000 plus contributors and 10,000 plus, actually billion plus code that is sent. Now, what version I'm going to build is this little tiny Linux from scratch by this guy on a website called blinry.org, tiny Linux. Yes, whatever. It's still a new one, and I'm going to build one for you guys. Let me just close this. All right, this is my screen. Now, yes, I'm going to build this tiny Linux from scratch from this website right here. If you can't see it, I hope you can all see it. And then I don't know what to do actually besides doing the tutorial. So let's just follow the tutorial. Now the first thing the tutorial says is I have to clone this repo. I've already have it done here. See, I have the Linux repo here. It's already cloned. And then the first step was to configure the features I wanted into my kernel. Make help lists a couple of predefined configurations. Alright, let's go to cd to Linux and try to check what kind of things. Whoa, that's a lot of things here. Let's do make help. Oh. Source directory can contain spaces or colons. Stop. Okay. Now, if you ask me where do I get this inspiration, I get this inspiration from this guy, Neil Lichman. And if I cannot follow the tutorial here, I'm going to follow this guy's tutorial, making simple Linux distro from scratch. I'm a dumbass. I'm an idiot. You should all kill me. I don't think I will be able to do this, but let's try. And by the way, I've cloned this repository in a version 6.18, which is the latest version of Linux that is available right now. I haven't used it. I haven't installed it on my main Linux machine, Fedora Linux. I don't know why it's not available yet. It is available. I just haven't installed it. Now, what is my cat doing? Cat, what are you doing, my cat? My cat wants to join, guys. My cat wants to join. Look at her. Look at this cute guy. Cute fella over here. You gotta, yeah. Okay, so let's do things. Sounds great. So I ran make tiny config. How do I do that? Okay, how do I boot into you? How do I do that? I don't know how do I do that. Make ls, how things are worked down here. Arch blog crypto fs kernel blah 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 blah. I don't understand thing. Let's follow this guy's tutorial.
The bootloader is going to load the kernel, and the kernel is going to load BusyBox, supplying us with all the tools that we need in the user mode. So I'm going to build everything in this video inside of a Ubuntu 64-bit Docker. So I'm going to just start by the Docker command, so docker run. It's important that you pass the flag privilege, so I'm just going to privilege flag.
I'm on OpenShift with WSL, so I don't think I'm going to use Docker. I'm not using Docker anyway. I don't know what Docker is.
Is that it gives me permissions to map is going to be. Afterwards, I'm going to install a command, but Flex, Bison, and BC are required.
There is bzip2. Do I have bzip2? I don't think I do have sudo zip zipper install bzip2. I have Miserably and curses dev flex bison. And what do I install again?
For the kernel, CPIO is required for making the init ramfs. libelf dev is also required for the kernel.
Dev.
Also libssl dev.
Libssl dev.
Okay, now I'm gonna clone the
I don't
Linux.
know if there's something different with his machine and mine. I'm using OpenSUSE Tumbleweed, so I guess there'll be some difference. Let's do that. Let's check how loading of data, readings of. All right, there's so many. No problem. Live web dev live SSL, live SSL. Yes. Let me just ask ChatGPT. Actually, no, let's not ask. Oh no, because it's coming with an error. Okay, so what's the error? Okay, can I just install sudo easy copyright? Okay, I don't have that. There's no lib SSL dev, lib encurses dev, and lib elf dev. So let's ask ChatGPT. There, you don't have to find that. What is lib elf dev, lib cursus dev, cursus dev, lib SSL dev in OpenSUSE Tumbleweed equivalence? Let's ask ChatGPT. Devil. Oh, they're using the devil. Oh, not dev. Oh, of course. RPMs are devil based, not dev based. Come on, seriously. I'm a dumbass. Let's go to the install packages. Lib. Oh, there's libc standard. What did I just use this libc standard? And curses devil and OpenSSL. Let's go OpenSSL and N curses devil. The namings are not consistent. I hate this, you know. Alright. Press Y, enter. Okay, and let me just follow the tutorial again. So there's this like tiny config. Alright, how do I not? Oh, what? Tutorial here, I don't understand it. But I will follow this guy's tutorial on YouTube. So, yeah, I guess. Let me just take what I could do here. Building a tiny Linux kernel build, how to compile with and run minimal Linux. Building a minimal Linux kernel tutorial. Let me just have a tutorial, please. Oh, there's this smallest distro possible. Alright, let me just get tutorial. I think this guy's tutorial might be good. What is wrong with my Wi-Fi right now, people? My Wi-Fi is not doing great. Oh my god, my Wi-Fi is not doing great. What happened? Behind the firewall. Alright.
Repository. So I'm gonna use git clone --depth 1. And this means that I'm not going to clone the entire Git history. I'm only going to clone the last commit. I'm going to pass in the address of Linux. I'm going to use the GitHub mirror for this. torvalds/linux.git.
Yeah, and that.
Okay, now I'm going to move into the Linux directory. After cloning, I'm going to start by running make menu config.
Oh, that's make menu config.
This will open up an
make menu config. Source directory cannot contain space or colons. Stop. What's the problem here? What's the problem here? ls cd linux. That's a problem. It doesn't work. Let's just remove them. rm rf. Oops. That's taking a lot of time. All right, I think I'll just git clone it again. Git clone gps Linux. because it doesn't work. I don't know why it doesn't work. Maybe I cloned the wrong repository. Maybe I did wrong. Yeah, maybe I did clone the wrong repository. Let me just clone it again, I guess. And this will take some time. If it's oh well, it will take a long time. I will pause the recording for you two guys. I will come back after I'm done. All right, it's almost done. Here, oh, it's done. Great, it's done. Let's go to CD. Okay, and then down. C.
suffering from a dangerous infection. But thankfully, a compassionate man showed up just in time with his special tools. With great care and patience, he started removing the infected tissue from one side of the turtle's head, making sure not to hurt it any further. After that, he repeated the amazing procedure on the other side. Thanks to his skill and kindness, the operation was a success, and the little turtle's life was saved. His turtle was suffering. Jangan pernah membuka aplikasi. He found a shortcut to becoming how to talk nonsense, say things no one can possibly understand, and people will assume you're brilliant. Ayan once watched a scientist speak with total confidence. The shark is beheaded and gutted. Then they bury it in a gravelly sand, weighing it down with stones. The shark has poisonous chemicals in its tissues, and if you ate enough of it right away, toxins. So the meat is kept under the stones for weeks as the pressure squeezes out fluids, and the poisonous stuff in the meat gets broken down by microbes. Then they dig it up, cut the meat into slabs before hanging them in a drying shed for months. Cold air and wind dry the meat, and a tough brown crust forms. They slice off the crust, cube the pale meat, and serve it. Sneaky, but completely safe to eat.
Alright, gang, I'm playing Clash Royale. Still playing Clash Royale. I just look at how long does it takes, man. Look at how long it takes. Look at these. Look. Look at my CPU usage, dude. It doesn't even hit 100%. I'm playing Merge Tactics because I am a stupid ass and I love Merge Tactics. I can't play Trophy Roads. Yeah, that's a really cruel world. I'm not good at Trophy Roads. I'm stuck in Dragon Spa. I'm a fucking villager. You should all kill me. I should need a new guru or someone. It's been 18 minutes of recording to 19, 20 minutes. Look, this is taking a long time. I think it could take like entire hour. I want my recording to be that long, but seriously, I am too bored. Okay, gang, I'm losing. Losing. I lost. I lost the game. What? Yeah. Let me just. I'm so stressed. Holy cow. What kind of game am I playing right now, gang? This game is so good. Gang. Come on now, gang. What the hell is this? I don't know, bro. I don't know this game. What is this game about? Okay, first, why do you attack the crossbow? Because the crossbow is too fast? I lose. No, it's okay to lose the first round. There is always the second, three round. Alright, this is taking too long. I'm gonna pause again. Just a reminder, I'm currently playing Clash Royale, Merge Tactics. You can hop me on Clash Royale. I'm gonna pause the recording again. I will continue later if it's done or if I want to record. Yeah, bye. Alright, the building is done. Make finally returns a good point. Make finally done its job. Alright, here. What next am I supposed to do here?
Okay, so after the kernel finished building, you're going to see a message looking something like this. With BZ image is ready. So BZ image is the actual binary of the kernel compressed. So we're going to save this one aside. We're going to use it later to actually boot the system. So this is the path containing the image. So I'm just going to create a directory. Let's call it, for example, boot files. And I'm going to copy the BZ image.
Alright. Oh my god. Oh, I just ate the best food of my life. Also, I hit blue streak in Clash Royale, so please. I'm so sad right now. Like the boot. Yes. CP Arch x86 boot easy image. and to boot files. What the hell? I'll clear this screen first. Alright.
That the build made into boot files. We're gonna
Wait, it's... Oh, it's in root. mv boot files. Boot files. So, yeah, it's in root. So, sudo. That's it in root.
put everything related to boot in that directory. And from here on, I'm going to move to the next step, which is going to be to build BusyBox. Linux is going to be the kernel, but we need some kind of user space. So for the user space, I'm going to use BusyBox. So BusyBox is basically a bundle of a bunch of basic Unix utilities. For example, stuff like ls, grep, vi. So the cool thing about BusyBox is that all of these utilities are actually in the same binary. So let's go ahead and clone BusyBox.
Wait. My cat loves to open the door without closing it. She's a little bit dumb.
So I'm going to use git.
Wait, I think he means by that it's like to name these files to just do
Clone. I'm going to pass in -depth1. And this is going to be git.busybox.net.
Oh, there's that. Okay. Why is it not hello? Hello? What's happening? What's happening? I didn't take anything. Oh, let me just open up this again. Alright, good. These guys need to see what the fuck did I do? Yep. This is clear. I hope it is clear. Nah, it is clear. Okay, I need to git clone def one, was it https git busybox, the https out slash busybox.net net slash
BusyBox.
cloning. I didn't clone it. Also, why does it's taking long? There's this time. Let's just cd to. We have Linux and fun. cd fun. ls Linux. ls Linux. What is cd? It. I don't know. cd is dumb. Let's do git. Yes. Git clone def1 https git busybox.net. Busybox. It's called busybox, right? It is busybox. Cloning to busybox. This takes some time. This will take some time. Let me open my phone. Let me just scroll. Did it really take some time? Busybox. Busybox. What is wrong with my Wi-Fi? Hello? Everything all right? Okay, it's building. Yeah. But why can I not open things? Okay, there are some sites I cannot open. Let me activate one. Let's do one. Linux administrator. Uh, thank you. Now what should be active? Thank you.
Okay, let's move into the folder.
Box.
So
Let's go cd to busybox. Clear.
building busybox is kind of similar to the kernel. You also run make menu config.
Oh, my screen is enough. OCC. I hope my screen is good enough for it. What is this? Oh, okay. You can't see it now. It's easy to see. Oh, there are cool utilities. Cat. Base name. Ooh, there's a lot of stuff installed here. There's ls. You know, I have a better ls than this. I have a better ls than this. It's on my GitHub page. Let me open for you guys. github.com/io/ianls. The name is ianls. Let me just take it. And this is an ls, an open source, powerful, and flexible alternative tool to GNU core utilities ls in Rust. There are contributors here. This is me, Ian, and then yeah, maybe I will try to install ENLS into this machine, but I don't think it's here. Of course, not there. I'm not dumb. And you can fix. All right, there's that. There's that. There's that. Shells. Check the shell. There's ASH bash source. To switch shell to alias sh name sh ash. POSIX my supports new extend. There's no fish. Do I have to install fish my own? Busybox is not busy enough, I guess. Like seriously.
So in this menu, I'm actually going to change something. I'm going to go to the settings. Then I'm going to go down and search for the static.
What's that? Currency settings. Static what?
Compiling option. So here in build options,
Build static binary build options. I don't see. Okay, where is build options? Library, debugging options. Oh, this is build options. Yeah, where is the build options? Oh, no shared libs, new. Ooh.
I'm going to press space on build static binary. Then I'm going to navigate to exit and save the changes.
Where do I change this? Right.
Now the reason I'm selecting static build is I want it to be as simple as possible. I don't want it to depend on any external libraries. So now I can go ahead and run make. Again, I'm going to pass -J8.
Let's try -J8 this time. It's going to take some time again. 30 minutes already passed. So yeah, it's gonna take some time. You will have to see me yapping again, I guess. I don't think so. I guess I should do is just oh, what the hell happened? There is a warning. How can a code? Whoa, there are a lot. What the hell? There are a lot of warnings. Busybox. What are you doing, Busybox? You are not doing anything nice, Busybox. You are doing something bad, Busybox. See, another one. Sprint. Oh, there are errors. Code errors. Wait. What should I prepare? Should I prepare for building easy box in on Tumbleweed? What kind of busy? Okay, thank you, Grammarly. It's busy box, by the way. Tumbleweed for building. Building what? Oh, well, that's not so far. Let's see, make bison and stuff. Mm-hmm. So there's end block. Oh, there's end block too. It's mdef. What are you enabling if you want to do this? Okay, it's done. Oh, that's actually very fast. Oh, I thought it's gonna take some time. It does not. But there are some errors. Um. All right. So what are these errors? What are these errors? It's on networking too. Wow. How can BusyBox have errors? This is wrong. BusyBox wrong.
Okay, so after BusyBox finished building, I'm going to create a directory, also in boot files, and I'm going to call it initramfs.
I also have some errors too. So I'm going to XHTTP. Is this okay? Is this okay, ChatGPT? I hope it is okay. Oh my god, how long? Is this? Well, I think it's okay. I don't have any new message though. Let me just close this. I don't get the message he has. Like, yeah, it's okay. It's okay. BusyBox is a dumb thing, a tool no one uses actually. So the problem is, I don't know what the problem is. It's okay. It's safe. That's clear. And then do what? What is he doing? I'll make the boot files files init ramfs.
And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to run make install, then I'm going to pass in config prefix, and I'm going to give it the path to boot files in ramfs.
Config prefix. Oh, okay. Boot files init ramfs. Install. Oh my god. Okay, there's this error. There are these errors. I got this error. Um, this error. This is non-visible. Oh, I have to disable it. Oh no! Make menu config. In where? Network utilities. So I won't have networks? What is TC? Network utilities. TC. A B C D E F G H I J L O. Second rebuild. Oh no! No, I had that. Keep TC, but disable GBQ in advance. Yeah, well. Yeah, well, gonna build it again. Oh, okay, that's the problem. It's the problem in OpenSUSE, but not the problem in somewhere else. Maybe I should have used Ubuntu. There are some warnings. Yeah, maybe I should have used Ubuntu. Maybe yes, maybe. I'm short in minutes too, and I'm taking 8 minutes building this dumb stuff here. Wow, wow. Let me scroll my phone again. I don't know what to do. Mm, Let's wait. Let's wait. Apa ini? Okay. It's done. Note if built. So error one. What happened? What happened? Let me clear. Let me clear. Make. Yes. Please. Your link does not support sort. Now I got this error. Static linking against agility uses GC. Hmm. Do I still have static linking here? You can config. I hope I still have it. Oh, do I still have static linking? I hope I still do have static linking. I do have static linking. It's okay. Let me just. Clean up. You've moved to the linking stage. The static linking is. Ah. Oh, there's this thing. Oh, wow. You didn't tell me. Sorry. Oh, oh yes. Ah, ah, oh my god. Okay, now it's taking some time again. Building things for things does just oh god damn it. Ellipse def is static. Errors. Scanner. Silver. It's a liquidity box. Come on WSL. Ellipse is not. Oh yes, I should have Debian and Ubuntu. I have Debian actually. I have Debian, and I have Ubuntu too. See, I have Ubuntu and I have Ubuntu and I have Debian. I have everything. I should have done that. Yes. All right. Look at that. 41 minutes. 41 minutes, and I still haven't done anything great on building. Why do you take so long? Alright, Zipper, why do you take so long, Zipper? Zipper is taking too long, guys. What is my what is this guy doing here? What is this guy doing right here? Let me check my Wi-Fi first. My Wi-Fi is nice, I guess. I'll close it and open it again. Holy cow, what are you doing, Zipper? Sudo zipper um glibc devils glibc devils. Alright, it's taking too long. Oh my god, Zipper, I should have not used you. I should have not used Tumbleweed. I should have used Ubuntu or Debian instead. Oh no 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 no. I'm gonna pause the recording. I will continue later if it's done. It will take like an entire hour. It will take like an entire hour, guys. This will. I'm pausing the recording. All right. Zipper is taking too long. I am looking to my Debian WSL. I think this is just impossible. I don't know why. What's happening? I don't know. So I will clone again. I will start over from scratch here, and I will. Yes, I will do this. Let me just put it here. Git kernel, Linux kernel, git toolpath, git clone. I'll clone to Linux. I'm cloning back to Linux. I'm cloning back again. This will take another time. It's already been an hour. Zipper didn't do anything. Like seriously, what is Zipper doing right now? I don't know. Zipper is not doing anything. OpenSUSE is dumb. Zipper is dumb. APT is goated. DNF is goated. We all are going to use Fedora Linux, but this is impossible. I've done so many things. I think I'll just wait again. Yeah, I'll wait again. And there is a put in the kernel and VM. This does not have anything yet. Features I need to run when config. Wow, the last time. This is fake. Okay. Does he have a busy box though? I don't think he has busy box. I clone again. This took this take a long time. Holy cow! This is bad. Okay, so he has building busy box. Want to build a succeed. TCV, nope. Or this TCL. Including this levels, just explain the number of symbols with the control by spoken. I can disable the feature. When the music also have make menu config. Need to add the pkg config. Alright, so that's the problem. There are problems. Updating files. This will take an entire month. It's impossible. I don't know how it's going to be possible for me to do this. This is really taking too long. I am losing my patience here. It has been 46 minutes of nothing. Literally nothing. Let's go open my phone again. Tell me what the hell is going on here. Let me open Instagram. There's a video I sent my friend. I hope it doesn't disturb your profile. 57, 61, 67, 70. Onto the beach. Okay, it's done. It's done. Let's just return as CD to Linux. And let's take a look at this guy. There's this thing. So let me just make menu config. I hope nothing wrong happens. Oh my god, that took a really long time. I want to find the Anchors package. Oh, I haven't installed that, so sudo apt get install lib and dev lib ssl.dev. What is it again? What is his dependencies? If this takes another hour, oh my god, I'm so cooked. I will actually stop recording. Holy cow. This is so fucking cooked. So lib anchors is dev flex bson flex bson zip to. I already have vim. Git I already have that. Lib bc cpio.
The
I'm
init
starting from
ramfs.
0 again.
Libelf dev is also required for the kernel.
Libelf dev. This is taking a long time. I hate it. Libelf dev.
Also libssl dev.
Okay, that hits too long. So I don't get minus version. See, this is faster. This is faster. What's happened? What's happening? This is faster. Zipper is so slow. glibc double static. Zipper glibc double static. Oh, my Wi-Fi might be slow as well. Gnusi library static. Zipper is so open so is slow. Okay, my FPS dropping too. Alright, clear. And then that's done. Let's enlarge this again. Let's make a new config. Yeah. Okay, my FPS is
Now that we're finished with that, we can touch anything else here, so I'm just going to leave it as is. So you can just exit with tab, marked, specifying all kinds of build options. So I want to make sure that 64-bit kernel is marked.
Let me just make sure that it's been an hour and I still haven't done anything great. It's been an hour. Zipper is doing nothing. Why is Zipper so slow? Okay. Why is it so big? Why are you so big? Fail hacking. Let me check. Am I in the right? No. Exit. Okay. Alright, let's back here, guys. Clear. Alright.
And I'm not going to touch any. This might take a while.
Yeah, okay. Let's go make BC image. Let's go make a. How do I make it with nproc? What's nproc? J dollar nproc. Number of processor. And here comes the waiting. Woohoo! Look, Zipper is not doing anything. Debian is doing everything. Zipper is not doing anything. Let me just close Zipper. Now it's doing something. Why is it so slow? Oh my god! I've done two things. Two things right now. I'm doing two things. Two things, people. Two things. Two things. Oh my god. 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 Finally, it's done. It's been an hour. Hey, copy the code. Okay, CD. What's else? Now the keyboard doesn't work. Oh my god, WSL so fucking dumb. I hate WSL. Okay. My FPS is decreasing a lot. I'm going to build this here too. Just in case if my zipper didn't work again. Oh my god, WSL is not working now. What the hell? Oh no. Okay, it's working. Okay. I was panicking. Now let's see funds as Linux. Okay. Oh no. What the hell is going on again? I'm gonna wait again. Oh, I'm gonna wait again. Oh wait, what's that? What's that? Oh my god. It's it's not working, guys. Look at how slow this thing is. BusyBox with Linux. Okay. Now we are from BusyBox, right? Yes, we are from BusyBox. So cd BusyBox. And then there. Yay! Okay, that work. Good. Make clean. Please. My CPU is going to die. Encoding overloaded. Encoding overloaded. Yes, my CPU is about to die. No. Oh no. Uh-oh. Oh, it's on. Okay. It's alright, it's doing its job. It's slowing down everything. It's slowing down everything. Look at this. 90% of memory is used. Oh no. Look at that. Look at this. Alright, I'm pushing my stuff here. You know what? I'll just stop this. Stop and then do proc. Make J and proc. This is taking a long time. This is taking a long time. Okay, let me just close you. Let me just exit. Ah! What's going on? Oh no. That's going on. Exit. Oh god. Okay. Ah, that should be some relief. That should be some relief. It's 14:07. There should be no more errors. I hope. What is this? Why is someone sending me a video picture? Then I config boot files in as install. It's lagging so bad. Oh, it's lagging so bad. My FPS is decreasing. The hell? What did I open? What kind of... Okay, it's done. It's done! Library resolve is needed. Can't exclude it yet. Please God, please, please God, please, 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 Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, please. Yay! You will probably need to make your busy block when I set UID root to ensure all nice. It's done. Finally, it's done. All right.
CPIO minus O. I'm just going to call on the shell and boot files, and I'm going to call it init ramifs.
Yes, it's finally
And
done.
what I'm going to do now is I'm going to run make install, but I'm going to pass in config prefix, and I'm going to give it the path to boot files init ramifs. And the reason I'm doing it like this is later I'm going to turn that directory into the actual init ramifs that will be loaded by the kernel. So this will install BusyBox into that folder. It'll basically copy a bunch of files to that folder. Okay, now let's move into that folder.
cd files init ramfs.
What we're going to do is create another file here, and let's call it init. I'm just going to...
Wait. This guy is doing something different. Save that. Enable gaming Rust. You will notice that it ends with kernel panic. I'm thinking no work. And the full kernel is all alone currently. It doesn't have anything to do with it. In a new directory, I ran cargo new init and write the in. Do I have to install cargo too? I mean, I could do that. I could install Rust, you know. This guy is doing something rusty. Rust flags to compile. I could do what he is doing, or I could do what this guy is doing. I will do what this guy is doing first. I don't understand this. I don't understand this tutorial. I want to understand this tutorial.
I'm going to call on the shell. So when the kernel is going to start the init ramfs, it's going to look for the init file. So here we're going to write an init file here that will basically start the shell. So I'm going to execute this using the shell, and I'm going to just run the shell. So this will basically start the shell when the kernel finishes booting up. Fun fact is that both of these are actually interpreted by the kernel. So when the kernel sees this, it assumes it needs to execute this file through this binary. So it's just going to use the shell to open the shell. It's kind of funny, but that's what it's going to do.
Okay.
Now I'm going to save this. You can also remove linuxrc, no need for that file. I'm going to add execution permissions for init. And now I'm going to use find command.
I just cat init. Okay, rm minus rc. Why do we rm? Okay, rm minus rc hmod plus x init.
And I'm going to pack all of this into a CPIO archive. So this is actually needed for making the init ramfs that the kernel supports. So I'm going to use find. Find basically lists all the files, every file in a separate line. And I'm going to pass find into CPIO -o, which means create a new archive, -h new C. This is the type of the archive.
Oh, it's h.
This is the archive type that is supported by the kernel. And I'm going to pass this into a file I'm going to call init.cpio. I'm going to put this in the upper directory.
CPIO, init.cpio, okay.
Okay, and if we go one directory back, we can see that the file is created. So we have our init ramfs right over here. This is the kernel, and the init ramfs is this. Now all we have left is actually taking care of the bootloader. So this is pretty simple. I'm going to use a bootloader called syslinux. So to get syslinux, all I need to do is just apt install syslinux.
Oh wait, do I have syslinux again? Oh my god, it's gonna be long as installation process. Syslinux open tumbleweed. Okay, Syslinux? Okay, no. Let's install sys. It's gonna be another wait. Oh, it's not. Oh, yay. It's not another wait, people. Let me just zoom this thing. Just to restore. Okay, then I will just properties and then do. Where is it? Come on, be quick. I like 28. Yes, 28 is nice. Okay, maybe a little bigger. Like 36. Okay, let's clear this out. All right, 36. What the hell is the problem? My Wi-Fi is having trouble, guys. What the hell?
Now I'm going to create the actual boot file. So for this, I'm going to use a utility called dd. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use as the input file /dev/0. So this is a special device that every time you read something from it, it returns zeros. So this is useful to actually fill a file with a bunch of zeros.
Okay, sudo dd input file is gonna be /0.
The output file is going to be boot, so this is how I'm going to call the file. Block size is going to be 1 megabyte, means it's going to copy 1 megabyte each time. Count is going to be 50. So what this command will basically do is create a file that is 50 megabytes, and it's going to be filled with zeros. So I'm going to use this to later create a file system on this, and finally install the bootloader and copy the kernel and the init ramfs into that file system.
So I no longer follow this tutorial. I no longer follow this tutorial. Ooh. I no longer follow this tutorial. Now I'm following this guy's tutorial. I'm a dumbass. Go kill me.
Now if you run ls, you can see the boot file created right over here. So far it's only filled with zeros. So to create the file system, I want to use the FAT file system because that's the file system that syslinux supports.
Yes, yes.
So I'm going to install for this DOS FS tools.
DOS FS tools. Yes. Sudo install DOS FS. Oh, sorry. Oh, come on. Yes, please. DOS SF tools. It's now faster. So it has been an hour and 8 minutes long.
Now that I have DOSFS, I can just run makefs -t fat, and I'm going to do this on boot.
Okay, makefs -t fat on boot. Okay, now let's open boot. Eh? Sorry, but boot is not a directory? Did he make something like a directory?
Going to be 50. So what this command will basically do is create a file that is 50 megabytes, and it's going to be filled with zeros. So I'm going to use this to later create a file system on this, and finally install the bootloader and copy the kernel and the init ramfs into that file system. Now if you run ls, you can see the boot file created right over here.
What? Okay, why is boot not a directory? It should be a directory. Okay, let me ask ChatGPT, why is boot not directory? I ask ChatGPT, why is boot not directory? Why is boot not a directory? Oh. Sudo. Yay, it's done. Oh, I'm high. I never made it as a I never made it as a directory. I'm high. I never made it as a directory. What the hell? So from this command, it's actually making boot not as directory, and I thought boot will be a directory. So boot is not a directory. ls. Come on, ls. Yeah, what the hell? What the fuck is going on right now? What the hell's wrong with my keyboard? LSL boot. Yeah, it's not. I'm sorry. Huh?
So far it's only filled with zeros. So to create the file system, so I'm gonna So after running this, it's actually created a fat file system on the boot file. So now I'm just ready to run syslinux boot.
Boot. This 6 Linux boot. Enter. Seriously, man, sudo. I forgot. What? This Linux.
Now my boot file is
Okay. Sudo sys Linux. SL boot. So make f as at boot. Sudo sys Linux boot. What is this problem? What is this problem? What is this problem? Oh. What is this problem? Oh. Oh, it's not a problem. It is. Yeah, it's not a problem. Why is this happening in your case? Format is as fat. Ah. It's not a problem. Okay, it's good.
ready for boot. So this will actually boot syslinux right now. But we still need to copy the kernel and the init ramfs into this image. So this is going to be pretty simple. I'm just going to create a directory. Let's just call it m, for example. And I'm going to mount boot.
M. And sudo mount
into m. Now just copy the kernel and the init ramfs into the boot file system.
Alright, let's copy the image and dio m. Sorry, sudo.
Now we can just unmount it. Okay, now the boot image.
Unmount m. Sorry. Oh, it's you mount, is it? Yeah. Sudo mount m.
Image is ready. So let's go ahead and boot it up. Okay, so I'm going to copy the boot image from the Docker to my host. So I'm going to use for this Docker CP, Docker copy. I'm going to pass in the ID of the Docker and the path I want to copy, so boot files / boot. And I'm going to just put dot because I want to copy it right over here. Okay, now let's actually boot this up. So I'm going to run qemu system x86-64, and I'm going to pass in the boot image.
QEMU system x86-64. Okay, sorry. That's it. Oh, I haven't sudo. Eh? Okay. Try the raw. Can I implement the image? Did you get the message too? Okay, why is it not create any new window? ChatGPT or not. Can you show me the exact? Is okay. Not implemented. No image. This guest boot is raw disk image. Image 6 bit. Protect you. Oh, this is the correct way. WSL safe. This is the WSL safe. Do that and then do this. Sorry. Okay, why does it not show any new window? Why does it not show any new window? New window? Oh, running. Give me another WSL gun. Oh, okay. I'm running, but you must connect with VNZ. Enable GUI via WSL. Okay. It's working. I've done it. I just can't do anything because one, I'm on WSL 2. I'm on WSL on Windows 10. I will boot back. I will boot to my Fedora Linux. I will try to build everything again. But it's working. It's completely working right now. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah, it's working. So yes, it's working. There's no graphic. There's no graphic. No reboot, no graphic. Things are running on this. Let me just. Uh, RFB0. Yes, it's working. I can't do anything. Actually, yes, I can't do anything. It's working. Um. Well, yeah, is it? I don't know how he does it though.
Okay, so as you can see, syslinux is booting up, and it's asking what to boot. So I'm just going to pass in and tell it that I want to boot bz image, which is the kernel. And I'm going to pass in -init_rd. And I'm going to pass here the init ramfs file, /init.cpio. Now I press enter. As you can see, we now have a shell. Type for
I don't. I don't have a shell. I don't have QEMU working with WSL on Windows 10, so that's one problem. It's been 1 hour and 20 minutes too. Okay, I will count this as a fail. I will try again later. I will try again later. I will try again sometime later. So it's a fail. We failed to maintain. We have failed. I failed. I failed. I failed to. Actually, I successfully built a Linux. I just failed to use QEMU. See, there's no QEMU running. There's no QEMU window. And ChatGPT told me that yes, QEMU won't do it. It won't give you anything. One, it can't. There's no GUI. And yeah, well, let me just copy this. I wonder what will this do. What will this do? No graphic. What do you do? 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 Init init rt. Yes, I cannot run QEMU with the stuff. I guess it's impossible. I need Windows 11. I'm on Windows 10. I have to upgrade to Windows 11. I don't want that. I have Fedora Linux anyway. I will try that on Fedora Linux. I think this is a fail. Um, I will do it later. I will redo later. I will redo it later. Waiting for you right now. I'm on Windows 10. Windows 10 without OSLG. Running your command. Your recommended command. Results is. Let me just. Ini counter. Uh, Good. This error is very specific and very common at this stage. This means given the character. Oh, I'm sorry. I know. In artinya itu init.cpio. It's booting. Yes, yes. Oh, let's go. Yes. Oh, nice. Okay, my ls. I did it. Holy cow, I did it. Oh, no way. 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 Let me just finish between this. I did it. I did it. Why is it again Control Shift? Yeah. Yes. 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 I did it, guys. 1 hour 23 minutes. Oh my god. Wow. I have him now. Oh, I could. Oh yeah, I could do that. Busy. Oh, he's an image though. So let's check on ls again. Ooh, we have busy box cat set mv sh that link ls login. I've done it in WSL open to the tumbleweed. Oh my god. Oh my god.
For example, ls works. Don't mind the debug messages right over here. It's just because the kernel is verbose. pwd works as well. You can also run vi.
Oh, that's vi. Oh, that's vi. Oh wait, what? That's vi. Wait, let me just make it blur. Alright, that's like that. That's not CC though. Yeah, I could make vi. Let's go vi and then say hello. I have successfully. Is that how you say successfully? Successfully, yes. Built Linux v618 on WSL. Woohoo! I did it. I did it. Holy cow. I did it. Holy cow. Wait, let me take a screenshot. Ah. This is perfect. Oh my god. WSL. Let me just do that. Wow. Wow. Let's go echo hello from me. I did it. Let's go. That's nice. Oh my god. 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 Wow. Wow. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mr. I'm going to follow you. I'm going to follow you next. I'm going to follow you next. Yeah, I'm going to follow you. Yeah. What is an init script? Bin busybox install s. Oh, yay. I did it. It's done. I have successfully installed. Oh, I have successfully built Linux version 6.18. Uh, wow, wow, it's so satisfying. Okay, I have successfully built Linux 6.18 on WSL, and this is a very fun experience. My mom almost scolded me for being too loud and not eating anything. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for listening to me yapping, and thank you all for keeping the nonsense up for me. Yeah, see you. See you guys.